Hey guys, welcome to these free filmmaking guides for beginners, and this is Patel. In this video we're going to talk about ISO. So what is ISO? ISO is measuring unit of sensitivity of image sensor of any digital camera. So if you turn on your camera and go to manual mode, you can easily manipulate with the ISO aperture and shutter speed. So if you find out the ISO button in your camera and try to change the ISO, you can see most of the cameras have ISOs start from the 100 and goes to 200, 400, 800, 1600 and accordingly. So if you go a step further, it will increase the brightness of your image or footage, but it will also increase the grains. So if you having the lower ISO, that means you are having the crisp, clear image with no grains, but it would be a little bit darker. So you have to manipulate between the ISO, shutter speed and aperture to get the perfect quality of image, which we're gonna discuss about in further tutorial videos. With the lower ISO settings, the image sensor would be less sensitive, whereas when you increase the ISO, the image sensor get more sensitive towards light and it will increase the brightness of the footage. So let's go in the real world and compare the different kind of footages with different slots of ISOs. Here we have one footage with ISO 100 with the same shutter speed and same aperture, and here we have another footage with the ISO 800 with the same shutter speed and same aperture. As you can see, with the ISO 100 the footage looks alright, but when you see ISO 800 with the same aperture setting and shutter speed, the footage is much more overexposed. Next example is ISO 100 versus ISO 1600. It's two different footages with manipulated settings with aperture and shutter speed, and you will find both are properly exposed footages, so you can compare the quality of the footage or image. When you zoom in, you will find the corner with more grainy with ISO 1600, whereas ISO 100 looks crisp clear. Make sure you watch this video in full HD to find out the perfect result, and you can compare yourself properly. So I hope you got a little bit of understanding of ISO, which is the most important part of camera settings. It depends on the DSLR to DSLR, but you can experiment yourself and try to find out the perfect ISO range for your DSLR to work with to get the crisp, clear or better quality of footage or image. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please check out the next video regarding the aperture, and next video would be about shutter speed. Also feel free to comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions regarding the ISO. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.